Migrating from SQL to MongoDB, challenges and solutions. Migrating from a traditional SQL database to a NoSQL database like MongoDB can be a daunting task. However, the benefits of using a flexible and scalable database like MongoDB are well worth the effort. SQL to MongoDB Converter. This tool helps you transfer your existing SQL database schema and data to MongoDB format seamlessly. Many converters are available, each with unique features to simplify migration. Migrating to MongoDB from SQL Server, MySQL, or Oracle. If you are using SQL Server, MySQL, or Oracle, the migration to MongoDB is similar. Each database has unique features. They may need special care in migration. Challenges in SQL to MongoDB migration. A major challenge in migrating from SQL to MongoDB is the difference in data models and query languages. SQL databases are relational. MongoDB is document-oriented. This requires a shift in mindset when designing your database schema and writing queries. Another challenge is that MongoDB lacks transaction support. This can make it hard to maintain data consistency in some cases. SQL to MongoDB migration best practices. This includes analyzing your SQL database schema and data. It aims to find any data modeling issues. It also includes choosing the right converter tool for your needs. Migrating from SQL to MongoDB requires careful planning and execution to ensure a smooth transition. First, analyze your SQL schema. Then, understand how to use MongoDB's document model to best represent your data. Conclusion. In conclusion, migrating from SQL to MongoDB can be a complex process that requires careful planning and execution.